Our workshop will be tackling the cross-border aspect of misinformation, because misinformation actually knows no borders. So there are similarities and then like peculiarities in the different kinds of misinformation across all regions. Well, there's the threat of like lack of trust right now towards the media that also gives rise to misinformation. There's also the opportunity to work together on solutions and to come up with creative ways to actually fight misinformation. So that's what our workshop tomorrow will be all about.
As we all know, fake information or misinformation, disinformation is a huge problem, not only in Africa but across the world. And one thing that we'll be bringing into the room or into this discussion is not only how to identify all types of fake information, but how to also debunk this fake information. Because if we don't debunk it now as journalists, it's going to affect us in the future. So that's why we need everyone or every journalist in the conference to attend our conference on Thursday as from 10:45 to 1 p.m. Thank you.
See you there.